Hello, friends. Today we're talking about unseen clutter. I talk about unseen clutter a lot, it seems, but maybe not. Let me just remind you what it is. Unseen clutter is clutter that's stuffed into the closets, stuffed into the shelves, stuffed into the cabinets, stuffed under the sink, stuffed in the back room, under a bed, things that you've shoved away and really don't use, don't need, and don't particularly love. That is unseen clutter, and it is taking up all of your space. It has taken up all of your space. So today I want you to get rid of 5 things in an unseen clutter area. We are in zone 2, the kitchen. Try to get rid of 5 things that you don't need, love, or use to make space for your real stuff. The things you really love, need, use, and want. Those things go in the cabinets, not storage, dead storage. Make it a great day.